I'm in Lyon now. Yeah, I came back from Bordeaux. Yeah, day before yesterday. Yeah, I really did not vlog when I was coming back because something happened. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. The sun is shining bright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna, yeah, yeah. You're gonna find your way. It's gonna, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. It's very hard to let things go. It's hard to carry on. Hey, but if you won't try, you won't know what next is gonna come. You've got to just carry on. Don't let it go. It's hard to let it go. I know. How can you let it go? And open up your hand. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. You've got to just let it go. Hello guys, welcome back again to the vlog. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. Yeah guys, I'm home. I'm in Lyon now. Yeah, I came back from Bordeaux. Yeah, day before yesterday. Yeah, I really did not vlog when I was coming back because something happened, and I don't want to talk about it. Yeah. I just got home because I went to work today. Yes, I only rested yesterday, so I resumed work today. So I went to work today. I went to pick up some things from the African shop, which I think I started this vlog there. Yeah, so you guys must have seen that clip already. So guys, I also went to pick up Amoni's school bag because when I was in Bordeaux, they sent me a message that bag has arrived. Yeah, so I just went to pick it up so that they don't take it back, because when they bring it to the shop, I think you have just 7 days to go and pick it up. If not, they are going to return it back. So yeah. Okay, let's talk about what happened in Bordeaux. What happened was that we actually missed our flight. Yes, we missed our flight home. Yeah, we had to take the bus. Yeah, the stress I was trying to avoid, especially for the kids, because as for me, I really don't mind like traveling with bus, traveling with train, but just that from Lyon to Bordeaux with bus is, let me just say, 8 hours. It's 7 hours plus. Let me just say 8 hours. It's almost 8 hours. So I really didn't want the kids to like spend 8 hours in the bus, you know. So all the stress I tried to avoid, though, we still went through all the stress because we've already missed the flight and there was nothing we could do about it. We were just a little bit late and they said the gate is already closed. Even though I tried to like talk to them, they were like, no, the gate is already closed. Yes, Yeah, our Bordeaux trip was not that rosy, like going and even coming. But the good thing is that we enjoyed our stay. It was a fun one. We had so much fun. So I think for me, that's the highlight. Yeah, that's the highlight. Jennifer and her family, they tried for us, you know. So even though the transportation was kind of somehow, yeah, it was somehow, because on our way, you guys know what happened to our luggage, and when we were coming back, we also missed our flight. So but overall, the kids really did not stress me in the bus like I thought they were going to do. Nathan slept almost all through the journey, and me too. I think I was so tired that I was just sleeping and waking up. The only time we took a break was when the bus had to stop somewhere so that we can eat and maybe go and just ease yourself or whatever you want to do. So overall, it went well, and our money flight ticket is gone. It's okay, it's okay. So I just wanted to update you guys. I also picked up Harmony school bag. I think I said that before. So let's unbox the school bag together. Even though I've already seen what it looked like already in the shop, because in Bordeaux I went to BORDEAUX to like pick up some birthday gift for Jennifer's daughter. Yeah, because we are not going to be around for their birthday celebration. Yeah, they are going to be celebrating their birthday September. Yeah, that's school period, you know, school period. There is nothing we can do about it. So I just had to like pick up some birthday gift for them. So I saw Harmony's school bag there. It was really cute. Meanwhile, I ordered it online, but I saw it on the shop, and I saw it in the shop. It was so cute. So guys, let's unbox it together. I'm tired because I just came back from work. Yes, we have to work home. All the money we are spending in vacation, we have to look for it back. Guys, this month, like, I think I've just spent so much money, and I'm still spending because my card is out, and I have to like get stamp so that I can pick it up. I already took an appointment, so that appointment is on Monday. So I still have to go and pick my card with 225 euros. So I have to get a stamp. Like, man, it's not easy. Adulthood na scam. Adulthood is a scam, guys. It's a scam. Just one expenses to the other. Yeah. So we have to work. We have to make money. I'm so tired. I'm tired. Meanwhile, I am grilling some fish. I want to make okra soup. I think I'm going to wait till tomorrow, but I just want to grill the fish maybe when I come back from work. Yeah. So guys, Harmony is going to be unboxing her bag. She's super excited. When you destroy what is inside me, I'll carry on. So guys, this is what the bag is looking like. It's so cute. They wrote happy and love since 1963. Wow. And they open inside. Let me see. So this bag is from BORDEAUX. I don't know if I've mentioned it before. Yeah, this is just a bedspread though. Yeah, I just took this because of the percentage that they gave me. You have to press here, mama. You press here. Voila.
This is what's inside.
Well, you have a pencil bag. A pencil kit. So guys, it came with this. It's so cute.
Yay!
Oh yeah, it's from BORDEAUX. Open inside. This is really cute. This is really cute. This one you can put it anywhere because they don't sharpen this one.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow.
Hey guys, good morning. Look at my face. My face is all round now because of a vacation flexing. So guys, good morning. In case you're new here, my name is Teresa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So guys, yes, we are back from vacation. We have been back since a few days ago. Yeah, so we are back to real life now. The kids are resuming school this morning. Look at them. Say hello. Amoni is going to sail and Nathan is going to what? Yeah, that's my big boy. Nathan is going to KG2. The class Amoni was in before is just the class for preparation for primary school. Yeah, but we also kind of consider that as primary one. So I don't know. She was in CP before, so now she's entry SEO, and their classes in French in France is not exactly like the same in Nigeria, so sometimes it's kind of confusing. So guys, they are all set. I'm taking them to school. This is Nathan's stuff because Nathan sleep at school, so we have his pillow, his blanket, and his look at Amani. Amani want to show you guys a new bag. The weather is not really beautiful because it's very early. Yeah, we don't want to be late, and I'll still be going to work. I just want to drop them off and know their new class then before I can go to work. Hello, Nene. Look at this cool boy. Nata, say hello. I don't know why my visual quality is not popping. So guys, we just dropped Nathan off, so we are going to Harmony's side. Look at people. Wow, this morning is a marathon, guys. It's a marathon. Harmony's name is just here. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, we are done. Yeah, it's so emotional. How many of you feel emotional when your kids are entering another class? Nathan was not really having it. I don't know why. He only have one friend from his former class in his new class. I think Amoni also have two friends from a former class. That's how they are always changing them. So the thing is somehow, it feels so emotional though. Yeah, I'm going to work now. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh my god, it's almost 9 o'clock. I want to try if I can get to work by 9. Yeah.